Here are our last 10 medications under respiratory meds drug classification. Subcategory here is anticholinergics. We have three of them: ipratropium bromide, umeclidinium plus vilanterol, and then tiotropium. So ipratropium bromide is Atrovent. Anoro has a combination of two active ingredients in its generic name. It's vilanterol plus umeclidinium. Umeclidinium. And then the last one is Spiriva. Spiriva's generic name is tiotropium. So we notice that here that they all end with ium. So let's underline that. So the anticholinergics end in ium. Anticholinergics end in ium. Okay. Ipratropium bromide is Atrovent. Umeclidinium plus vilanterol is Anoro. Tiotropium is Spiriva. Okay. So if you remember this sentence, anticholinergics end in ium. Anticholinergics end in ium. Tiotropium, umeclidinium, and ipratropium are all anticholinergics. Next, we have pulmonary. Pulmonary mucolytics, which means that it helps to remove mucus, and pulmonary combinations. We have only one under the mucolytics. The pulmonary mucolytics is acetylcysteine. Acetylcysteine. Say it with me. Acetylcysteine. Good. Acetylcysteine is mucomist. It goes directly into your lungs to remove the mucus. Mucomist. Mist has a Y, not an I. Mucomist is acetylcysteine. Okay? Now the combinations pulmonary combination medications here mean that we are combining two medications, so that's why it says combinations. Pulmonary combinations, we have two medications here. Both of them are combinations. Fluticasone by itself is Flonase, but if I take fluticasone plus salmeterol, I get Advair. Salmeterol by itself is also a medication. It's called Serevent Discus. So if I take Flonase and I add Serevent Discus, I am making Advair. So the next one is ipratropium and albuterol. Albuterol by itself is Advair. Ipratropium bromide is Atrovent. So if I'm combining albuterol and ipratropium, I have two generic names. The first one is Dioneb. These are not combinations. This is just two generic names. Convient and Dioneb. This tells me that this is like a nebulizer. So our two combinations are fluticasone plus salmeterol. That gives me Advair. And then Convient is a combination of albuterol and ipratropium. Okay, these are our pulmonary medications. The last subcategory here is leukotriene inhibitors. We have three leukotriene inhibitors. The first one is xyluton. Xyluton is Zyflo. Xyluton is ZI, but Zyflo is ZY. So xyluton is Zyflo. Then we have two that end in Lucast. Montelukast and Zafirlukast. Montelukast is singular. Zafirlukast is articulate. So Lucast. Montelukast and Zafirlukast. Montelukast is singular, not singular. Singular. There's an I there. And Zafirlukast is acolyte. Double C's. Accolades. These medications are all respiratory medications.